No, get off of me, you slut. Fuck, I wasted my ultimate hella late. Man, I hate that shit. Wrecked them. What the fuck? Holy, she got demolished. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Fuck. I ain't going in there, fuck that. Oh shit, clutch as fuck. Clutch as fuck. Holy shit. Oh, I don't run, bro. Come on. Retreat, retreat, retreat. Hell nah. He straight took tower aggro. Oh fuck. Now we gotta kill them all. Now get her off of me, please. Fuck. Fuck. I can't be stopped. I can't be stopped. I can't be stopped. Fuck. Fuck. No. Fuck. Fuck. You run so damn fast. Fuck. Alright, at least you got it. God damn, she runs so fast. But, what? Yo, bro, what? Run. We don't want that fight. Nice. Fiddle misread the situation. Right here. It is nothing. Oh shit, it's QSS. No fucking wonder. What the fuck? Even the fucking support has a QSS. I don't get it. Oh shit, that drive-by. Holy that flash. Nah, fuck that. There's no team. Outrunning the ghosts. Oh, it didn't catch me. No. No. I run too fast. Oh, now he's dead. Nice. Timed it. The build of turbo. The build of turbo. The build of turbo. Fuck. I got 500 movement speed. Oh, I killed him. Real. It is. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? My mind is blown. What was he trying to accomplish? What the fuck was that? Yes, we'll take it. Oh shit, what the fuck? Where'd he come from? Yeah, let me live, please. No! No! God damn it. No! Nice! Save me, please! Save me, please! Save me, please! Insta kill. Kill him, please. Get him off of me. Nice. Oh, God. No, I'm killing myself. Body slam. Fuck. Oh shit, he's coming to the portal. Now, get him off of me. Fuck. I got him though. Oh. I keep yawning. God damn it. And that was 2 spells. Oh shit, fuck that. Oh shit, I canceled there on accident. You see that coming. Fool. Rex. Nice.